large cigar-shaped object hovering over the Pacific Ocean. What are we looking at? Listen to this, coming in from Smash Tube Dudes. He has some interesting commentary. Listen.
And this craft is, I don't know. I mean, it kind of looks like a blimp, but kind of doesn't. And seems like it's moving fairly slowly. But it is out over the water quite a ways. And I mean, it's flying slower than a normal airplane. It's low somewhat.
He's actually doing a pretty good job at zooming in, keeping a steady hand comparatively as best he possibly can. And it does seem like there's something large out there.
Get this. It's a trip. Let's see.
I'm not sure. Could this be a blimp?
Just so happens. Yeah, you can see. And of course, my camera won't really focus too well. You can kind of see San Clemente Island out there in the back. And this craft flying through the air, which I don't know what it is, but yeah, you can see it cruising across. I mean, I've seen plenty of blimps in my lifetime. It doesn't really look like a blimp, but can't completely rule it out. But man, I wish I could get better video of this, because it's definitely a trippy craft.